Hi everybody, just a quick video. Finally finished the add-on kit. I took some ideas from people who left comments in the description box for the last video that was posted. I have another video that I have recorded, but I won't post until next week because, like I said before, I'm experiencing lots of noise starting Monday and I won't be able to film. Usually I don't film at night. The lighting's just horrible, but regardless, it's not that great any time of the day. I'm looking into getting new lighting and hopefully that will help. But in the meantime, here it is. Somebody wanted some quotes, so I included 9 different quotes here. Someone else suggested swirls. Well, that's what I came up with, and I did them 2 different sizes. And just to fill the page, I did a little journal card with vintage hats, like 1800s type deal. You also get, this is the vertical version of the damask plain kind of page, journal page, whatever. You will get this one in the add-on kit. Now I have a lined one, but I added it to the Graceful Women kit, and the emails went out to everyone who bought one, so you'll have an updated file. And yeah, somebody suggested I do a journal page. Well, there is a journal page in there. There's actually 2, but I thought, why not? Go ahead, add another one. So there you go. This one, the plain one, is in this one. Now I did, these are in another kit, vintage stuff. I'm not sure which number, 3 or 4, I think. And they're much bigger in that kit. I wanted some little ones because I'm doing a lot of layering with, small type things. And so I personally wanted them for myself. Now these measure 3.5 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters, the tiny ones. And then we've got 3 centimeters by 4, I think. 4.25. No, 4.5, sorry. 4.5 centimeters. So they're a nice size, for layering or whatever you want to do with them. And I showed you the butterflies. So there's the butterflies in the damask, and this has a really pretty rose pattern in it. Then I did the calendar page, and I did print on both sides with the calendar. This is the flip, so you would bend this one back. I glue down the side and the bottom to make a pocket. I usually cut this part out and then put some tea stain tracing paper behind it. I just love the look. And then this would fold this way, so you'd open it like a booklet. Or you can leave it without, gluing it down. You can have it as a trifold because that's really what it is. And here's some more postcards. So there's 4 postcards, and this is the lined one that's I added to the, oops, sorry, that's your way. I'm not flipping this video. I'm doing everything upside down because it's just a hassle. This is in the actual kit, the Graceful Women full kit. And then I did this one. Jamie suggested little mini mason jars. So that's for Jamie. She wanted frames, so I did 2 frames. Now I had envisioned a couple of things with this. I mean, just throwing some ideas out there for you guys. I would probably cut this center part out, knowing me, because I love the tracing paper look. But I also included this little, she's kind of like a paper doll, because it will fit on here, and then the little flowers kind of fit there too. So you can do like a built-up type layering thing going on with your frames. The other thing you can do is join them, right? So you can make a booklet, front and back kind of deal. There's lots of different things you can do with that, but I love how the little mini mason jars turn out. I mean, they're the same ones that are in the regular kit, but They're so cute, little. I love them. Anyway, that's what I have in the store. What else have I done? Okay, so I'm going to flip this over so that you can see. Okay, I did the pocket. Now, I wasn't sure if I finished that with you. I added I have these little scrolly things. And this is memory box, I believe. And I hardly ever use this one. And it just seemed like it needed something, and everything I put on it I didn't like. So I found that, and I like the way that turned out. This was going to be something completely different, and I didn't like what it was, so I cut it off. Just made it an oval. I'll do something with it, probably. I don't know yet. And you saw the pocket, or the flap. I will attach this. I dug this out. This is from one of the vintage stuff kits, and it's a CD holder, and I for some reason didn't use it for whatever reason, so I'll probably put that in the book even though it's not part of the kit. I like it, so, and I think it goes quite well. And you saw all these. I like the way they turned out. After all, they are slightly warpy, but not bad. And then once I glue them flat and then you've got ephemera in them, they'll be fine. So that's about all I've done, I think. I haven't had a whole lot of time because I've been designing. So now that that part's out of the way, I'll get back to the book and hopefully do another craft along video. So I should be able to release one next week and the week after. And then you might have to go a week without me doing a craft along. We'll see how things go, because they're going to be here for a month. So it's going to be a long haul. But I'm so excited. It's turning out really great. Anyway, that's it for tonight. So talk to you guys later. Bye.